Welcome to this video tutorial on how to navigate the Discussions tool in the Brightspace D2L of your course. Instructors will create discussion posts as part of the course learning activities. Please read the instructions to understand the expectations and guidelines. You can access the discussions by going to the Tools menu in the navigation bar. The boards are organized into forums and into topics. You can subscribe to discussion forums and to topics and to threads to receive notifications of new messages. To participate, click on the topic, read the directions and the questions, and reply by starting a new thread. Here you will enter your subject and message. If you want to save your answers before replying to a thread, you can copy-paste from a Google Doc or Word document and paste into your message post. You can also add attachments of previously created documents and record video and audio to add to your answer. When you are ready, you click Post and it will record your answer. If you would like to reply to a thread, you click on the topic of the thread and you reply to thread. And you write your message. You post. And you have replied successfully to a thread. So remember, to go to a discussion, you go to the Tools menu in the navigation bar and click Discussions. And you will find them there. Thank you.